Bonjour class. Now that you've studied the conditional mood and you have a better idea of how to use this and when and why, we're going to extend that into these things called C clauses. So remember, you can pause and rewind the video as necessary and follow along with your note sheet. We've already studied C clauses. If something, then something. So today we're going to look at how the conditional mood plays a role in a C clause. Take a look at these three examples. Si j'étais riche, je voyagerais à Paris. Si nous avions beaucoup de temps, nous nous reposerions. Si vous aviez un vélo, vous iriez à la campagne. Now let's take a look at them and see how they're used. Si j'avais une voiture, j'irais à la campagne. If I had a car, but in the real life situation, I don't have a car. But if I had a car, I would go to the country. Si nous habitions à Paris, nous voyagerions en métro. If we were living in Paris, but in reality we actually are not. But if we were living in Paris, we would travel by le métro. So the conditional mood is used to express what would happen. We've studied this. If certain conditions were met. But these conditions are not real. They are contrary to reality. To form a C clause using the conditional, we follow this construction. With the C, the if part of the clause, we use the imperfect tense. With the then part of the clause, which is like the result clause, we use the conditional. So take a look at these three sentences. Si je gagnais à la loterie, j'achèterais une moto. Si nous habitions à Chicago, nous prendrions le bus. Si elle grossissait, elle mangerait moins. Given the circumstances on the left, if they were real, but they are not, they're contrary to reality, but if it were, if that was the case, then the right column says what would happen. In order to be able to form these C clauses correctly, you do need to remember how to use the imperfect, and it's been a while since we've directly studied that. So just a quick review, we use the new conjugation, we take off the ONS, then we add these endings, and then remember the irregular stem is for être. I also included the QR code that links to the Imparfait video if you would like to watch that to review so you can use these C clauses more effectively. Now take a look at your note sheet. I give you the beginnings of the C clauses. If a certain situation, if there was a certain circumstance, what would you do? So take some time and consider these and use the conditional to say what you would do given those circumstances. So this is the end of the video. Make sure you rewind if you have any questions and bring any specific questions to class.